Hey there, we're going to add your new team member to the Go Site Ready system. Here we call anyone you employ an asset. So let's get started. You start by filling out all their personal details, name, contact number, date of birth. Then you select the company that they work for and their status, so they might already be active or you might be in the onboarding stage. And then you select their employment type. At the moment, we have in there the options for employment full-time, casual, and contractor. Once you've done that, you can select a tag if you want to. It's a feature that's super handy for searching or adding people to emails and bulk correspondence. If a tag isn't there, simply click the plus button and create one. Now we're in the personal details of the asset that you've just created a profile for. And here we can finalize the rest of their information, so their addresses, and then their external identifier numbers if you have them handy. The information that I have put in here is fake. And just like that, your new asset is in the system. You're all sorted and ready to manage their profile and assign them to jobs.